Hi, I'm Shweta and I have a poem for you. This poem is about God. Maybe I am thinking too much, but do they know that we mostly think of them only when we have lost hope? Do they know that we search for them every time we need to put a blame on someone who cannot be questioned at all? Because to say maybe God didn't want this to happen is so much easier than accepting that I could have done better. Do they know their wives are worshipped all over the world in big temples with great respect and even greater amount of gold, but their daughters are not? Do they know that we have hopes because we believe in them, but also because believing in ourselves was never properly taught? Do they know which one of them am I talking to? Do they know we have divided them in factions too? Do they know we don't worship them if our grandmothers didn't do? But do they also know, deep down, we know there is no they? There's only one true God, one true power. And yet, on the days when we are desperate and all the doors are shut closed, on such days, our greedy heads always bow to every single God that they have ever heard of. And it wouldn't even have to be God. Any human being with a little fear in their heart would easily put all their faith in an orange colored rock sitting under an old banyan tree, for that's easier than putting that faith in himself. But I think that is only fair. Why, you ask? Because if things ever go south, who will take the blame? Because if things ever go south, then maybe God didn't want it to happen is something that we can always say. Do they know I exist? Of course, they created me. Do they know they exist? Of course, we created them. But to which God will my words reach to? And if they do, would they all listen to me just the same? Or like us, have they made some factions too? I am a theist, so I have put a lot of faith in a power that is strong and magical, but I'm also a dreamer. So a pinch of that same faith sits calmly in my tightly closed fists. That's all. Thank you. Please let me know how did you like it, and would you want more of my spoken poetries on this channel? I'll do that. Okay. Bye.